Withdrawing money from Instagram to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Instagram account using the app on your mobile device. Make sure you are using the account linked to your business or create a profile. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 3. Go to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. This section will allow you to manage your payment methods and view your earnings. Step 4. Link your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, select Add Payment Method and enter your bank account details. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with withdrawals. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Once your bank account is linked, navigate back to the Payments section. Select the option to withdraw your earnings, choose the amount you wish to transfer, and confirm the transaction. The funds should be processed and sent to your bank account. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw money from Instagram to your bank account. Make sure to keep an eye on your account for any updates or notifications regarding your transaction.